Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I have some beads that I haven't used, and I have been having these beads for forever. So I figured I would try to make maybe some type of earrings out of them. And I think they're called Haisha vinyl beads. And I'm going to go ahead and use them because I have not used them. And what I'm going to do is make some earrings. So this is one strand, and then this is another strand. I had two other strands. I think the other strand I had was more green and maybe like beige colors in it. And I don't remember if I used that for bracelets as fillers or what I used those for. But I've never used these, and I may have had these maybe over a year already, and I just never used them. I don't know why, but I just never did. So I am going to see if I can make a nice little pair of earrings out of these. And this could be why I never used them, because I'm going to take some off like this and then see if I could just get them all on like this without dropping them. Yep, and that worked. So then I need to see how many I got on here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So it's 20 of them. And I think, let's see if we use one of these beads. And then maybe put some more on top of here. So let's find out where we stopped at. Grab some more. Oops. And then see if we can just get them on there like this. And that worked. So it's 20 at the bottom, and 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16. So 17 at the top. 17, 18, 19, and 20. We'll put 20 at the top, 20 at the bottom. That's already a cute little earring. And then let's just close it off like so. Wrap it. Just wrap it closed. Maybe 1 or 2 wraps. Just to close it off. And then we'll clip the wire. Okay. And then that's just a dainty little earring. But what I'm going to do is make them even more different. I'm going to put one of my little my little cassettes dangling from it. Because remember, I was still trying to figure out what I'm going to do with these cassettes. And I'm thinking I'm going to probably make a bracelet, and there'll be charms. In the meantime, let's see what we can do with them for just like a cute little pair of earrings. we don't want to put too many on there. You know what? Even if we did it like, let's see. That'll be like one of the charms. Let's see what we can do right here. Just a couple more charms added on here. And we'll see what kind of look it gives us. Okay, so maybe if I put something, I like it without the cassette. So let's do this. I'm going to take these off and take that one off. But I'm going to leave these on, these little small charms, because I like the way they look. And then I'm going to add just one more. See if I got a nice small one. And then we'll just close it off like so. Let's see. Okay. Now that's a cute earring. That's cute. And that's the thing, it don't even take much. Just and I like unique. I like different. So if I could make it look different, you know, that works for me. I like the way it hangs. I like the charms at the end of it. So let's see. So I'm going to do this one. And we had 20 beads. I'm going to see if I can get 22. Let me do this. I'm going to just take a bunch of them off. And what I'm doing, you know, like anytime these beads are like this, I'll hold them and I'll take my two fingers and I will squeeze my fingers on them and then pull them off. So they're in my hand like this, my fingers. And then I can just take the wire, put the wire through the hole because they're pretty much still stacked on top of each other like so. And then it just goes right in like that. So let's see if we got 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So we got 5 I need to take off. So that'll be 2, 4, 5. We'll take off. We'll have this, and then we're going to put our other little blue bead. And then we'll get another 20. And I just hold the strand when they're like this and take my fingers and then just hold the beads. Hold on. Hold the beads like so. And then they're in my fingers. I'm going to just go ahead and wire. It should go straight through like it did right there. And then we need to make sure we only got 22, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And then how many extra do I? Looks like it's 5. 2, 2, 4. It looks like 6. 2, 4, 6. We'll take off. And then we'll just have this. And then we want to bend our wire over like so. And then we want to wrap it. And then I'm going to just wrap it twice. Well, 3 times I think I did on this one. Yeah, a couple times. So 1, 2, I think I did like maybe 3. And then I've got to get it back around here. Take the wire up. I'm going to clip it. Take my little pliers and bend that wire in. And then we'll close it off with these pliers. Smash it close. Yep, that looks about right. And then I'm going to add some charms at the bottom of it. So we're going to do 3 charms like we did with those, with that one. And they will more than likely all be different. In fact, looking in this box, I'm sure they're going to be different. Need to put together some more charms. So this is 1. Yeah, these are going to all be different. Shoot, I might not even have 3 in here, huh? But you know what? We're just going to have to wing it. So let's see. Oh, here's a small one. We'll put this one. And then 1 more small one would be, oh, maybe something like this one. And then we'll go ahead and, oops. Go ahead and close it off. And do you know, I still feel a little clumsy. When making the jewelry, I'm like, man, I really got to get back and practice. Feel a little bit more comfortable, you know, making stuff. That's why I've been trying to make, you know, pieces every day. A little bit of something in addition to working on the journals and then some other projects that I'm working on. So I'm going to do this. And we'll close this down. And let's see where my girl is. Here she is. So let's put this on here. I like the way these came out. Very cute, very colorful, unique style. Right? And I like the color. Very different, really unique. So if you think about it, if the table was like set up and you were somewhere, well, that's what I do. When I'm somewhere selling, I put out my most unique pieces. And this is just very different for a pair of earrings. It's like you don't see this everywhere. So this would have been a pair of earrings that I actually would put out. Let me see if they look even. They're even. It's just the way that this hole is. Let me look at something. Now, see, I like these so much, I'll make a lot of these and put them on fair. Or just even will have these for when I do that event in September. So, yep. I think they came out really nice. So that's what I'm going to do. This little bead right here, I found a strand. Oh, look, I do have a couple others, like the brown bead. So I had a brown on there. I had a purple. This is purple, but it looks, I don't know if you can see that or not. It's purple. So this is purple and brown. And then I think there is a red one too. So I can make these earrings and this little glass bead be different colors, because as you can see, I still have a lot of this left, these vinyl beads. You can see I still have a lot of this left, so I can get, I would say 1, maybe 2, 3, maybe 4, 5, 6, maybe another 3 pair earrings out of this. And that's the thing too, if I use less beads, so I use 20, and what I can do, I use 20 on each side. So if I did 10 and then 10, it would make it shorter, but that's still fine. And then that way I can get more earrings out of them, because I really like these. Very unique. Really, really like these. And I can see these worn, you know, like a nice little summer dress during the summer. Just that perfect little dress. Your hair pinned up. You got cute little sandals on. Little crossbody bag. Face all nice and clean because you done washed it and vitamin E'd it and put all your little, you know, maybe put your concealer on or no concealer, right? And got the perfect pair of earrings on with an armful of bangles. Just running around during summer, doing what it is that you do, right? So I got these, so I'm going to make a couple more using this. And then I wanted to try them. I'm thinking I'm going to try a hoop, but then only like maybe the bottom part of the hoop will have these on it. And then I'll put a different bead. So I'm getting ready to try, I think I'm going to try that now. So that's these, and hopefully these are simple enough to understand. And I think they were. So these are cute. I really like these. Came out really, really nice. And I never used the beads because I couldn't figure out like what to do with them. And then they're small. So they're really small beads. They're vinyl, and it's not like they're glass or clay or, you know, something. So I was like, what am I going to do with these beads? Now I know. So that came out really nice right here. So anyway, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. I hope everybody is doing well, and we'll talk soon.